Today in this video I show you how to premiere a video on YouTube. For this you have to open YouTube. Now click on create and then select upload video. Now in YouTube Studio you have to select the video that you want to set as premiere. After selecting video, click on open. Now add the title and description as you want. And after completing all the steps necessary to upload a video, go to visibility tab. Now inside this you have to click on schedule. Now choose the date and time to schedule the video as a premiere. After choosing the date and time, you have to click on set as premiere. Now click on setup premiere and select the countdown theme. You can see my countdown theme has been changed. Now you can also select the length of your countdown. After selecting these options, you have to click on save. Now once you click on schedule, your video will schedule as premiere on the date and time you selected, and you can also share the link of the premiere video. So this is how you can premiere a video on YouTube. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.